Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn number 3 or note 3. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I encourage you, go back, watch the first 2 videos, and then come back to this one. The first 2 are really short, cool exercises, but this will all make sense. And if you build the foundation right, it'll make everything else easy. All right, let's jump into the video. Learned 1 and 2, we've learned 4, 5, and 6. So now let's learn 3. 3 is really easy to locate because it's the white note that's a step right next to your black note, right next to your big group. It's this little step right here. And so the easiest way to find it is just you go to your big group, which is 4, right? And 3 comes before 4. It's a white note right there. And so you just you can drop your thumb there. Yep, if I go to this group here, just drop my thumb, it's right there. It's really easy to find. Now, when playing the white note, depending on where you're going melodically or what the melody is, that'll determine what position your hand is in, that'll determine just kind of how your fingers will flow. So I don't focus on fingering a whole lot because as you learn melodies, it's gonna shift. So if I'm in this position here, then my thumb would be on 3. But if I'm in this position here, then that finger will end up landing on 3, just depending on what melody I'm playing. So now we have 3 here, or you can play it here. All right. So we have an exercise for 3. Let's try that one. And we'll try it in this position first with the ring finger on 3. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll be dropping new videos every single week. All right, see you soon.